It's Friday night, how I'm longing for this.
Oh my goodness, y'all not gonna be able to see the outfit. I think I have to go all the way over here. Maybe you can see it from here. So look, it's just the pants with elastic in the waist. And then you have the blouse. Now the sleeves are really long, like they come down long. And I have them rolled up because I'm actually getting hot. But, you see that? Okay, so let me show you the bag choices. Currently carrying this bag right here. Okay, but I'm thinking switch it up to this one. I mean, either one will go. You say this one, sis? Okay. Let me change it out just for you. I heard you. I heard you, girl. Good choice, sis. She's giving. Honey, she's giving rich auntie. She giving, call that auntie. She got all the money. How much you need, sweetheart? That's what she giving. But in real life, your internet auntie had it. Okay, mind your business. I do not have a website for you. Don't even know when I ordered this. I mean, like how I even ordered it. I think this was like a late night, like one of them late night. Ooh, that's cute. Don't even know if I was giving my information out to a stranger or what. All right, y'all. So look, out this window right here, right, which is the girl cave, is where I want the garden. So I can look out. And the beds will be here. Let me show you what it looks like from, like, actually outside. Dun 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 dun. Do 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 do. Okay, what I'm saying, look at this. Rain, just soppy, wet rain. Anyway, this area right here is gonna be my little garden. I have to work around the crawl space, right? So I'm thinking like 1 and then 2 here, right? With the space in between. So like 1 bed and then pavers right beside it so that I can walk down beside it on both sides. And then on the opposite side, it'll be another bed here. I'm thinking I can probably put a bed here. And this will still be open. So that way I'll have a bed here. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. And then I may have enough room for like the other one, like right here. So this little space right here. Now my thought process is, right, if I have this room here on this side of the shed, I could put a bed here. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not, because here, starting here down is hill. Probably can't see that from here. I don't know if you can or not. You can kind of see it starting to slope, like her fence line, down, down, down. So we have this flat land right here. All of this is completely flat, you know, and then, like I said, all the way around to that side. So I have some area to play with. Even here. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do herbs on the patio, actually, like this whole little section, put some herbs, maybe some herbs up here. It's a mess out here right now because it is wet and rainy. Look at the pillows. Look at, yo, nasty, nasty, nasty. Anywho, that's that. However do you want it? However do you need me? However do you... Okay. Merry Christmas and good morning. Welcome back. Look, first order of business. Shout out to everybody who attended the live last night. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, me and Unc. I know we hadn't been present live for a while. I think we kind of covered that. Life was happening. My mom had gotten sick. Him, his job, late nights, just all the life things, right? But we came last night, so hopefully you enjoyed. I enjoyed being with you because I did miss y'all. Like, I do be wanting to be live, in case you think I don't. I really do be wanting to. Anyway, I led you guys astray. And I'm here to... Okay, what's going on here? This room is haunted. Okay, not the room. Not the room. Okay, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. There is something present. I'm fully aware of it. Okay. I don't sense something bad from it. But it's something definitely here. Okay. Anyway. These things just came on. That's why I said that. It reminded me. Plus those. It's just a whole... Anyway. The outfit. I was wrong. Wasn't wrong, but I was wrong. The outfit ad was on Facebook, right? But let me show you what it was. And it ended up getting me over here to Amazon, which is where, in fact, the outfit came from. But let me tell you how the other ones came about. So let me pull up my orders, right? I don't think my camera will turn around. Okay, so this is what I saw on Facebook. And I was like, oh my God, that is so me. She is giving me my whole gypsy vibe life. Now, I ordered it, it came, right? But when I was looking over here, see all this extra stuff, how they get you, right? This is how I ended up with the outfit. So I ordered this one, and I ordered, hold up, let me change it to, and I'll show y'all what this looked like. Now, I didn't wear it with the shirt because I like the pants as a full suit. So I got this one, and I don't wear the shirt with it. I just wear this. And I pulled this all the way up and turned it into like a halter, right? But if you scroll down right here, boom. This is how I ended up with the suits. So as I'm looking, you know, shopping for more of these, I saw these. Now this one is really pretty. This is like a, is that the one I have? Okay, it is. Lady, shut up. That's the one I have. And I ordered mine in a medium. And you see how big it is? How slouchy, because that's how it's supposed to fit. Lady, move your dang on fingers. And then you click on this one, and you get the one I had on. Now, on the, what is this? What I say? Amazon. It doesn't look like green and white. It looks green and cream on here. But the one I got is obviously, it's bright white, not cream. And so the other one looks like this. Mine is a medium. So if you want to go with that slouchy, you know, feel or whatever, this is it. This is giving. Okay. So what do they have it listed as? Summer, linen, casual. Okay, so it's casual bottoms. They have plus size sets. But yeah, so Amazon, y'all. I'll link it down below. Those are the pants. Elastic waist. Not sponsored either, you know. I purchased it, like I said, saw those other things on Facebook, and I was like, oh yeah, clicked on it. It brought me to Amazon, and then Amazon brought me to these. So, and let's see how much it was. $20 for the whole set. You better get over there and get it. This thing was 20 bucks for the set, y'all. For the set. How much did I pay for these ones? Let's see. My computer is so slow. Speed up, Lucy. I know it look crazy, but on it is really cute. I got so many compliments with this thing on. Again, without the shirt. Just the pants that I turned into a whole jumpsuit, girl. Okay. I'll try it on for you. I will try it on for you. But anyway, that's that. Okay, so let me show y'all the planners that I ordered. So that you can see, okay? I think that, oh my God, I cannot wait. Okay. Okay, so I ordered 4 of these. So you get 2 for $79.99, 20% discount, okay? And they'll be here on Monday. So you get 2 of those, and this is the size. So 2 pack metal raised bed, okay, whatever. 4 by 8 by 1, so it's 4 feet wide this way, 8 feet long this way, and this is a foot deep. So I'll have 4 of these beds. And again, you get 2 for $70, so basically $80, right? So 4, y'all, look at this. I am so damn excited. You don't even understand. I like tackling projects where I'm working with my hands. Y'all know this. And this ain't my first rodeo with a garden, but I need to get back into my knowledge. Anyway, look how cute these are. I went with these, like I said, for the price. The 2, right? And when I did the math with like trying to do like the smaller ones, this was just a better deal. But anyway, look how cute that is. So my plan is, and it gives you a great perspective on like what it'll look like in your yard. Is this thing blurry? Hold on. But yeah, it gives you a great perspective on the size it would be in your grass. That is a, why did it jump off? Please get back over there. Look how long that is. That's a lot of, well, I mean, you know, for a home garden, I feel like with 4 of those to start and then probably adding another 4 to finish it off for the ground part of it, I think this is going to produce kind of a lot. And my plan is to, what does this one look like? Oh. And I want to say, yeah, you can extend those. Like you see this? I thought that was possible. So like, why does it keep, I think you can add, like take it apart and just like make it even longer by connecting the pieces, you know? What does that say? It can get up to 16 feet by 4, so you can connect the 2 together and make one continuous long bed. So many options. But anyway, I ordered that, and so I ordered the 4 beds, and then I also ordered and then, can you see that? I also ordered, this is the Survival Vegetable Seed Garden Kit. It has over 16,000 seeds, non-GMO. And is it heirloom? Heirloom. Great for emergency bug out, survival gear. 35 varieties of seeds for planting vegetables. 35 plant markers to label your stuff, and then something called a Gardener's Basics. I don't know if that's like a book or what, but this was, and I probably could have got this cheaper, but y'all know how I am about going to the store. The less I have to go, the happier auntie is, okay? So I ordered this, and this was $32. Now, I don't know if y'all remember, but I had bought some seeds last summer, I think it was. Me and Ron was at Lowe's. Bought a big bag of seeds. Got them home. I have not found those seeds since I got them home. No clue where they are. So, these are for emergencies, okay? But for the garden here, I think what I'm going to do is go to our farmer's market where the bear was. The bear was located. I'm going to go to the farmer's market and get, try to find some already grown plants for my for my already grown plants. For like the tomatoes and the cucumbers, whatever it is, I'm gonna just try it, right? If nothing, get the soil enriched for next year. I don't know, whatever. But I'm excited about it. The raised beds. I want pavers in between. And probably to save myself some money, I'll probably do mulch and pavers, and I'm thinking it'll help me see snakes. You know, as I'm walking back, so I don't be walking like in the grass to my beds. I can walk on the pavers, and then I can see, you know, snakes that try to impede my garden. You know what I'm saying?